Hi. I... I've been thinking about you a lot lately, and not in a weird way or anything. Look, I know how you feel about me, and I've just been wondering why I've never felt the same way. And I think I have an answer. I think it hasn't happened because I haven't given it the chance. Like, I have just gone through this whole year kind of ignoring it, but I think I want to give you a shot. I mean, why not? And I know that you'll be more attached than me, but I don't think that that matters. I want to take that chance. So, I'm sorry for the random visit, but I really just had to get that off my chest. I haven't been able to sleep tonight.